Oh, is that delicious? What's that? What's that? Oh. What's that? That's a banana. That's a chili. Oh, this one. What's this? What's this? This is a corn. Can you say it? Corn. Oh, come here. Sit down. Oh, sit down. Very good. Sit down, sit down. Well, may I see no? Sit down, sit down. Oh, sit with the chair. Ay, nangilala mo. Teacher will help you, huh? Oh, what color is this? Purple. Can you hold purple? Oh, okay. Let's color 7. Let's color 7. Let's color 7. You want black. Kanina po pa kinukuha yung black, no? Here. Color. Okay. Side. Very good. Good job, Helen. Good job. Wow, 7. What number is this? 7. Up, down, 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 up, down. Up, down. Oh, look at the paper. Look at the paper. Very good. Up, down, up, down. Up, down. Yay! Very good. Oh, high five, high five, high five, high five. Yeah, very good. Next color, next color. This one, orange. Color number 8, number 8. This one, number 8. Circle, circle, circle. Let's color number 8, letter 8. Letter 8. Number 8. Very good. Good job, Bella. Good job. Very good. Nice one. Great job. Ganda naman ang color ni Bella. Wow. 8. What number is this? 8. Very good. Very good. Wow. Color orange. Color orange. Next. What color is this? Green. Can you say it? Can you say it? Green.
Hindi, ano kung oras ang ito?
Mga 6 po. What color is this? Black again? Oh, gray. Okay. Tingin nyo. Tingin nyo. Let's color it. Hold it. Very good. Great. You love
chocolate.
Can you use orange or can you use purple? Purple? Yes, very good. Purple. Colors of purple. Here. 9. Number. This one. Number 9. Very good. Number 9. Let's color number 9. Very good. Circle. Circle. Let's color number 9 with circle. 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 Let's color number 9. Circle. Circle. Very good. Good job, Bella. Wow. Good compliance. Good job. What's next? What's next? Color. Gray. You want gray? Or you want green? Gray or green? What do you want? Gray or green? Gray or green? Wow. Nice. How about this one? Yes. Color. Green. Color green. Can you color number 6? Can you color number 6 with green? Very good. Number 6 up. Number 6 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay. Use your left hand. Use your left hand. Use your left hand. Very good. Okay. up, down, 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 up, down. Circle. Look at the paper. Circle, 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 circle. Another circle, circle, circle. Oh, good job. Yay! Clap your hands. Wow, 6. Clap your hands. Very good. Next.
Okay.
Next. Next, what color is this? This is blue. Can you color number 5 with blue? Number 5. Color number 5. This one. This one. Very good. 1. You want 1? Okay. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Hold it properly. Hold it properly. Very good. Hold it properly. No, not yet done. Hold it properly muna po. Hold it properly. Very good. Very good. Hold it. Up, down. Baliktad po, baliktad. Up, down. Hold it properly. Ay, you don't like blue? You want gray again? How about blue? How about blue? Yes po. How about blue? Very good, blue. Up, down, up, down. Sideward. Wow, very good. How about up, down? Up, down, up, down. Side, slant. Very good. Good job, Bella. Very good. High five. Give teacher a high five. Very good. How about this one? How about brown? Can you try it? Brown. Number 4. Brown. Yeah, very good. Good job. Brown. Ay, galing. Yay. Continue. Brown. That is color brown. Can you say it? Brown. Brown is for number 4. Okay, let's finish number 4. Let's finish number 4. Okay, continue. Sige, continue po. Very good. You want purple again? Okay, continue number 4. Hello. Number 4. Show mommy nga. Number 4. Show mommy number 4. Color it. Continue. Bella, look at here. Look at the paper. Bella, look at the paper. Let's finish number 4, okay? Up, down. Up, down. Very good. Okay, you do it on your own. Continue po. Continue. Number 4. Ayan, very good. Wow. Everyone. This one. Carrot. 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. You eat the carrot, please. Can you eat the carrot? Yum. Eat.
Tummy. What's the time again?
Come on, let's color the apple. What's this? What's this, Bella? This is apple. 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 This is an apple. Apple. This is an apple pie. Look at the apple pie. Look at the apple pie. This is an apple going to apple pie. Now, can you get a color, please? Oh, let's get the red. Let's get the red. Oh, let's color red. Oh, can you color red? Red apple. Color. Oh, color. 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 Oh. Oh. Teacher will help you if you want. Let's color the red apple. Red apple. Very good. Next one. Oh. Next. Oh. Can we trace it? Okay. Curve. Oops. Curve. Good job. Curve. Very good. Next. Curve. Another curve. 3, 4. Oh, you count now. You count. Count. 5, 6. Oh, last one. Last one. Last one. Last one. It's okay. Oh, last one. 6. 6 curve. 6 curve. Last. Very good. And next, you get another color. You get another color for apple pie. You get another color. Which one do you want? Get another color, Bella. You get another color, Bella. Oops. You get another color. You want purple or orange? You pick one. Bella. Come here. Look at the teacher. Come to the teacher. What color do you want? Purple or orange? You want orange? This color, this one. This one, color. Color. You want the apple. Oh, wow. Very good. Next, this one. This one. Purple. Color it with purple. Color. Good job. Yay! Clap your hands. Yay! Good job. Clap your hands. Yay! Clap your hands. Clap. Yay! Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Yay! Clap your hands. Oh, clap your hands. Yay! Yay! Oh, good job. Good job. Very good job. Oh, high five. High five. High five, teacher. High five. High five. Oh, approve. 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 Can I approve? Approve. High five, high five, high five. Okay, good job. Oh, clap your hands, clap your hands, clap your hands, clap your hands. Yay, clap your hands. Yay, clap your hands, clap your hands. Good job, Bella. Good job.